Now we need to subtract a fraction from a mixed number. So first we have 1 4/5 minus 7/10. But we know that to subtract fractions we need the denominators to be the same. So we need to find a fraction equivalent to 4/5 with a denominator of 10. So we can rewrite our question as 1 8/10 minus 7/10. 8/10 is equivalent to 4/5 because to find equivalent fractions we use multiplication, and 5 times 2 is 10. What we do to the denominator we do to the numerator as well, and 4 times 2 is 8. So now we subtract the fraction first. 8/10 minus 7/10 is 1/10, and we have 1 whole, and we're not taking any whole numbers away, so we still have 1 whole in our answer, which is 1 1/10. Now we have 2 1/3 minus 1/12. We need to find a fraction equivalent to 1/3 which has a denominator of 12, so that our denominators are the same. So we rewrite our question as 2 4/12 minus 1/12. 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3 because 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 times 4 is 4. So now we subtract 1/12 from 4/12, that's 3/12, and we have 2 wholes, and we're not taking any away, so there's 2 wholes in our answer. Finally, we have 1 5/6 minus 1/2. This time it's the fraction we're subtracting that we need to change. 6 is in the 2 times table, so instead of subtracting 1/2, we can subtract 3/6. That's equivalent because 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 times 3 is 3. So now 5/6 minus 3/6 is 2/6, and we still have 1 whole because we're not subtracting anything. So our answer is 1 2/6. So let's see what we did here. For this first question, we started with 1 4/5, but we needed to subtract 7/10. So we changed those 4/5 into 8/10, and then we could subtract 7/10 to leave 1 whole and 1/10. Then we had 2 1/3, but we needed to subtract 1/12. So we changed that third into 4/12, and when we subtracted 1, that left us with 2 wholes and 3/12 as our answer. Then we had 1 5/6, but we needed to subtract 1/2. Now 1/2 is the same as 3/6, but if we show 1/2 on this fraction bar and take 1/2 away, you can see that subtracting 1/2 is the same as subtracting 3/6. So that leaves us with 1 whole and 2/6 left in blue. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.